Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of penny stocks and uncover hidden gems that could potentially skyrocket. Are you looking for some hot penny stocks that could take off in June 2024? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to explore some exciting opportunities that you won't want to miss. Today we're counting down the top 5 penny stocks with exciting upside. These stocks have been carefully selected based on their market performance, upcoming catalysts, and overall growth. Now, before we dive in, remember that these are just my picks. It's always important to do your own research before you invest. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's crucial to make informed decisions. Make sure to consider your own financial situation and risk tolerance. Alright, buckle up because we've got a lot to cover. From innovative tech companies to emerging biopharmaceutical firms, there's something for everyone in this list. We'll be looking at companies with upcoming FDA decisions, strong financials, and intriguing partnerships. These factors could play a significant role in their stock performance. So, let's get started. Grab your notepad, and let's dive into the world of penny stocks. At number 5, we have Lucy, ticker symbol LUCY. This innovative eyewear company makes smart glasses, and their stock price can be very volatile. This innovative eyewear company makes smart glasses, which are gaining popularity in both consumer and enterprise markets. Their stock price can be very volatile, which presents both opportunities and risks for investors. The company's recent product launches have been well received, but the market's reaction has been mixed. But it's not the best for long-term investors. However, if you're looking to capitalize on short-term price movements, Lucy could be an interesting play. The company's focus on expanding its product line could lead to significant growth if they manage to capture a larger market share. Keep an eye on their upcoming product announcements and market reactions. Next up, we have Geron Corporation, or ticker symbol GERN. This biopharmaceutical company is eagerly awaiting a crucial FDA decision in June. If it goes their way, their stock price could skyrocket. Geron Corporation specializes in developing innovative therapies for cancer treatment. Their lead product candidate is currently under review by the FDA, and a positive decision could be a game changer for the company. The anticipation around this decision has already created some buzz in the market, and investors are closely watching GERN. If the FDA approval comes through, we could see a significant spike in their stock price. However, it's important to remember that biopharmaceutical stocks are highly speculative. The outcome of FDA decisions can be unpredictable, and there's always a risk of delays or negative outcomes. For those willing to take on the risk, GERN offers a potentially high reward opportunity. In number 3, we have Petco Health and Wellness, also known as WOOF. While not a biopharmaceutical company, WOOF is a consumer discretionary stock with its own upcoming events that could impact its price. Petco is a well-established name in the pet retail industry, offering a wide range of products and services for pet owners. Despite being a penny stock, the company has a strong brand presence and loyal customer base. It's interesting to note that even though Petco is a penny stock, Petco is a well-established company in the pet retail industry. This highlights that not all penny stocks are tiny unknown companies. Petco's upcoming new product launches could be key catalysts for their stock price. However, penny stocks like Petco can still be risky investments due to their nature for high volatility and lower liquidity. Investors should be cautious and consider the company's financial health and market position. For those who believe in the long-term growth of the pet industry, Petco could be a worthwhile addition to your portfolio. Keep an eye on any strategic moves they make in the market. At number 2, we have Pineapple Energy, or ticker symbol PEGY. They focus on residential solar energy solutions, a rapidly growing market with significant growth upside. Pineapple Energy is capitalizing on the increasing demand for renewable energy solutions. The residential solar energy systems are designed to be efficient and cost-effective, making them an attractive option for homeowners. The company's stock has shown promising growth, and with the push for greener energy solutions, Pineapple Energy could see continued upward momentum. Their recent partnerships and expansion plans are also positive indicators. However, like all penny stocks, there are risks involved. The renewable energy sector is competitive, and regulatory changes can impact the market. Investors should stay informed about industry trends and company developments. For those interested in the renewable energy space, Pineapple Energy offers an exciting opportunity. And our number one pick is XPeng, or ticker symbol XPEV. This leading Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer is expanding to Europe and making affordable electric cars. XPeng has been making waves in the electric vehicle market with their innovative designs and competitive pricing. Their expansion into the European market is a significant step towards becoming a global player. Their stock price seems undervalued, making it a great option for long-term investors. The company's focus on technology and sustainability positions them well for future growth. XPeng's recent product launches and strategic partnerships have garnered positive attention from both consumers and investors. For those looking to invest in the future of transportation, XPeng offers a compelling opportunity. Keep an eye on their expansion plans and any new product announcements. Those are the top 5 penny stocks to keep an eye on in June 2024. Each of these companies offers unique opportunities and upside for growth. Remember, do your own research before investing. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's important to make informed decisions based on your own financial situation and risk tolerance. Let me know what you think of these picks in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any other penny stocks you're watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into more exciting investment opportunities.